Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will be doing some green juice. I have some vegetables which I don't want to get spoiled, so I will be using these vegetables to make myself some green juice. So I will be using this is lettuce, and I will be using some spinach, whatever you call it, epinard, whichever, whatever. And here I have some lime juice, and I have some ginger chopped. So this is all I will be using for today. So let's get in our video. Guys, if you are new to this channel and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, don't be afraid to hit that subscription button and becomes a family of charms lifestyle. And also don't forget to put your post notification bell on, so when I post a video you will be notified. So come on and hit that subscription button and don't be afraid, guys. So this is the last set, guys, so I will add the rest of ginger to that, and then I'll also add the lime juice. here.